Hazrat Imran bin Hussain radiyallahu anhu states that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 70,000 people amongst my ummah will enter paradise without being judged. The companion radiyallahu anhum asked, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who are those people? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, these are the people who do not get themselves cauterized as a treatment, nor do get themselves exorcised, rather trust only in their Lord Jalla Jalaluhu. Hazrat Ukasha radiyallahu anhu got up and submitted. O Allah's Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, invoke Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to include me in them. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you are amongst them. Another man got up and submitted. O Allah's Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, invoke Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to include me in them. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, Ukasha has preceded you. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 523.